but I definitely like it. Hi guys, hello. I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup routine and also my moisturizing routine. But the fun thing is I'm not gonna be using any mirrors. I'm only gonna be using my imagination. Because I feel like I've known myself and my face for 20 years. I feel like I can put a foundation on without having to see myself. Also, in this video, if you see that my nails are ugly, well, I can't do anything about it. I tried putting nail polish on, and of course, I was trying to film the video and I didn't let them dry, so they're all bulky and ugly. But do we care? No, not really. I've never been able to really put nail polish on. I've never been that girl. And I feel like, maybe it's me, but I feel like it's kind of like an aesthetic. Like it's okay. And my second step is my Fenty toner. For you guys who don't know, I make like a lot of natural products for myself, and I also started my own company, and I make a toner, and it's the only thing that really works on my skin. Like, I've tried every type of toners, and I go in with my vitamin C serum from Tree of Life. I don't really put it on all over my face. I mostly use it as like maybe a spot treatment most of the time. Like, but for this video, I feel like I can put it all over my face because vitamin C is super strong. Like, I remember trying to like emulate these girls on YouTube who used niacinamide, you know, this hyaluronic acid, and I was, you know, trying to be like that, and then my skin broke out because there's some things in skincare you just cannot mix, and no one will tell you. And then you'll buy something, you try to mix it, your skin breaks out. So don't ever use niacinamide with vitamin C. It's really like, it's gonna create irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin like me. Like, my skin is sensitive. I really feel bad that this is my moisturizer, but it is. It's from Lush. It works super good for my skin. Like, it's amazing. And in summer I use Enzymion from them. My last step is sunscreen. I use La Roche-Posay because they're really good. Their formula is amazing. And I put sunscreen on my hands too, by the way. Like, if you're trying to have good skin, your first thing you should try to implement is sunscreen. If not, it's, well, what are you doing? But I do put a second sunscreen. It's from Neutrogena. Because I don't know, I'm just super paranoid. I don't want, like, I have super hyperpigmentation, and I just use as much of sunscreen that I can. Use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I haven't been using this for a while, so I don't know if it's like, you know, that groundbreaking. I feel like primers never do that much for me anyways, TBH. I put it underneath my foundation because I feel like you get a more, like, a better result. And by the way, I love glowy makeup looks. I cannot do a matte look. I don't know, while I'm doing this makeup, I feel like maybe I should talk about a subject that's been on my mind. It's like, it's literally how to be an artist even though you think that you're not an artist. I feel like everyone has an artistic side inside of them, and you know, sometimes you're the one limiting your creativity. You know, it's no one else, it's you. So when I was growing up, I always used to be like, no, I can't draw, no, I'm not artistic, no, I'm not this, no, I'm not that. And you know, I used to say that to myself a lot. And then again one day, I don't know, I was like, wait, why am I telling myself I'm not artistic? Like, why? Like, everyone is artistic. So I just started making art, and I wasn't trying to be you know, good at it. But that's the number one thing. If you're trying to be an artist, don't try to be good at it. And then I realized, shit, I'm actually pretty good. But you know what? It's because I didn't put pressure on myself. I didn't try to be the best at it. You know, at first, it's like, if you wanna just draw. Don't try to be fucking Picasso, you know? Like, just draw because you like it. Don't put pressure on yourself. I feel like this capitalism culture makes it that we always have to outperform every time. And sometimes it's not about being good, it's just about doing the thing. And I feel like if you approach art from that perspective, it becomes way easier to just, you know, do it. This used to be my favorite concealer, but I don't, like, it's really dry. I've tried to like revive it, it's really gone, but I need to get a new one. NYX, it's so long. So yeah, about art, yeah, just do it, you know. You don't have to be fucking good at it. And if you're trying to sing, you don't have to be Beyonce. And that brings us to the second point. It's about finding your voice in art, finding you. Like, all of these artists that we love, we don't realize that we love them because we feel like they're authentically themselves, you know. They're not trying to, you know, like, I'm gonna refer to artists that I listen to personally, like Twigs. I love her, FK Twigs, because she, you know, she's herself. Like, she found her voice, you know. She didn't listen to the industry telling her what, you know, music is, what dance is. She did it herself. So I think art, step number one is to add it and approach it as like an experiment, an experimental perspective instead of like a performative perspective. That helps a lot. And step number two is to seriously just try and find your voice. Like, even with YouTube, I find myself trying to be like, okay, like, I love this YouTuber, so I'm gonna try sometimes to kind of emulate her energy. But then I'm like, no, they're successful because they're being themselves, and that's why people fuck with them. It's not because they're funny, it's not because they're quirky, it's because they're actually themselves. So every day I try to remind myself to be myself, and shit is gonna work. So I'm gonna put this powder on my eye and my laughing line. I don't know if this is a powder that people usually bake with, but look, I guess I'm gonna bake with it today. I love this palette, it's so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's super warm. I think I have a more neutral undertone, but these colors, they suit me amazingly. Hope I don't look crazy. Oh shit, I can see myself in this mirror. I didn't realize I could have used this. But the makeup look was supposed to be no mirror makeup look, but oopsie. Okay, this makeup doesn't look bad at all. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna take up the no makeup look of the title. So now I'm gonna do mascara. This is like a pretty basic Maybelline mascara, and I don't like when the mascara has a lot of gets mascara on it, so I always take some off, and that's why it gets super dirty around. Because I have pretty curly lashes, I only like them to just be accentuated like just a little bit, but not that much. I'm gonna do my brows. I don't really do that much. This is from MAC. I took from my sister a while ago. And I just do that. Like I really don't try to, you know, do the whole Instagram baddie eyebrow. Like, it's not me. That's what I'm saying. It's like, always try to find yourself and not, you know, not imitate what everybody else is doing. You know, I tried doing the whole body makeup look, you know, and it doesn't go with my face. It just doesn't. Again, we're gonna put the Fenty contour, and my color is Expresso. I'm falling apart each day that goes by. Reminds me of what we never had. Dead inside, dead inside, dead inside. You make me wanna cry and fly at the same time. Dead inside. You make me wanna die. You make me wanna cry. Feels like I'm dead inside. I'm falling apart each day that goes by. Reminds me of what we never had. But anyways, let me know what you think of this video. I know I have super low energy in this one because I feel like that's just how I am. Like, if I'm at my house, I'm not gonna be loud, you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment, period. But I definitely liked it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. You make me wanna die. Feels like I'm dead inside. Dead inside. Dead inside. Dead inside. Dead inside. Make me wanna cry and fly at the same time. 'Cause I'm dead.